One of the acts that has taken place during Obama's presidency is known as the DREAM Act. And basically what the DREAM Act is, it gave hope to those students that didn't think that they didn't think they were going to have a future because they were not legal here. Over 3 million students graduate from U.S. high schools every year, but most get the opportunity to test their dreams and live their American story. However, approximately 65,000 youth do not get this opportunity because they are smeared with an inherited title and illegal immigrants. These youth have lived in the United States for most of their lives and want nothing more than to be recognized for what they are, Americans. Um, the DREAM Act is bipartisan legislation that addresses the tragedy of young people who grew up in the United States and have graduated from the high schools, but whose future has been circumstanced because of immigration laws. This DREAM Act would enact two major changes in current law. The DREAM Act would permit certain immigrant students who have grown up in the U.S. in the United States to apply for temporary legal status and to eventually obtain permanent legal status and become eligible for U.S. citizenship if they go to college or serve in the U.S. military. And or the DREAM Act would eliminate a federal provision that penalizes states that provide in-state tuition with regard to immigration status. Um, Under the DREAM Act, most students who came to the U.S. at age 15 or younger, at least 5 years before the date of the bill's enactment, and who have maintained good moral character since entering the U.S., would qualify for conditional permanent resident status upon acceptance to college, graduation from a U.S. high school, or being awarded a GED in the United States. Students would not qualify for this relief if they had committed crimes, were security risks, or were inadmissible or removable on certain other grounds. Under the Senate bill, qualifying students must be under age 35, whereas the House bill, they must be under age 32. So the DREAM Act has helped many people, and it hasn't affected me personally, but I have a few family friends that have had the opportunity to undergo this DREAM Act.